Hey, my friends. Okay, so 3 weeks ago, I was in Kauai for my dad's epic Kauai, Hawaii dream wedding, and I shared that video a couple weeks ago, linked here, of course. During that week while in Kauai, I also did a beauty live on YouTube, sharing with you the skincare and makeup that I was going to be wearing and using for the wedding. However, I was kind of in like a dungeon bathroom, and if you've never understood the difference that lighting can make, let me tell you, this video is going to be a case study in the different settings for lighting with the same skincare and the same makeup. So once back, I decided to refilm it up in my upstairs bathroom and give you guys a more detailed video all about the skincare and makeup that I used in Hawaii. I had lots of compliments on it, so I hope that you guys enjoy this video.
I'm a heartbreaker. Yeah, I'm a heartbreaker. Do it for the fun of it. Yeah, I'm a heartbreaker. A cold blooded killer. For the fun of it. Wanna be a king slayer. Give me my crown. Bow down to your queen pin. Give it to me now. Bow down to your queen pin.
And as usual, everything is organized for you in a concise blog linked below. I hope this video is your go-to if you're aiming for that glowing, polished, no makeup look for any special occasion or just for being yourself at the grocery store. And with that said, let's do the disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1. Allowance is made for the fair use of purpose such as criticism, code news, reporting, teaching, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel are meant for educational and entertainment purposes to help other women and men. There is an attack on true, helpful information from genuine sources. Please help me combat this attack by sharing this video with as many of your friends as possible. I apologize that every video needs to include this disclaimer as my videos are marked for adults. Unfortunately, this is our current landscape and I appreciate your understanding and support. Here's my go-to routine step by step. Step 1, we're starting fresh. Shower and shaved, obviously. I didn't take you in the shower with me. You're welcome. But I've been using the Mori Ultimate Hair Growth line lately, which I picked up on Amazon. The kit includes an after shower spritz for hair strength, and so far, I'm into it. Step 2, Divi sent me their scalp serum and I'm loving it. I'm obsessed with keeping my hair healthy, so I drop this into my scalp and massage it in with my fingertips. Step 3, I cleansed my face in the shower. So next up, drenching my skin with the Beldora 299 Prime Nutrient Toner. I love the slippery texture and how smooth it makes my skin feel. These are the key ingredients: collagen, hyaluronic acid, elastin, bioretinol, palm kernel oil, and ceramide. Step 4, now for the Riedel shot. It claims to be like microneedling in a serum. I'm not totally sold on that, but it does give my skin a light tingle and it starts that glowy plump up. Step 5, while the Riedel shot is soaking in, I blow dry my hair. Step 6, next I apply the Photozyme DNA Youth Recovery Serum. They sent me the full lineup a while ago, and after learning more about the DNA repair enzymes, I fully integrated it into my daily routine. They say it's more effective than antioxidants and peptides, so we're rolling with it. So their technology apparently repairs sun-induced DNA damage at the cellular level, reduces fine lines, texture issues, and photo damage, supports collagen production and skin resilience, layers well under SPF for future protection, and it's lightweight, ideal for sensitive or post-procedure skin. Step 7. Next up, their vitamin C plus E serum, brightens and boosts antioxidant defense. Step 8. And then there's their iQuad Eye Serum, also featuring the DNA repair enzymes. It layers beautifully under makeup. Step 9, hair check. I add Divi dry shampoo for root lift. It's supposed to support hair growth too, and it doesn't build up like traditional formulas. And then I clip my hair up to keep it out of the way. Step 10, time for complexion. I use Prime Skin by GE Beauty, a light buildable base with a soft blur finish. I mix in the Beauty Bio 46 SPF drops for sun protection and that lit from within glow. Then apply everything with my fingers for a natural finish. Step 11, I forgot my Sean Richards London concealer in Hawaii, and honestly, it was fine. But today I have a little broken blood vessel under my eye. This concealer works double duty as a color corrector and concealer. A dab with my finger brightens everything up. Step 12. Now for a bronzer. I'm using Beauty Pie's cream bronzer along my hairline, cheekbones, under my jaw, and into my eye sockets. It blends like a dream, and the tone suits me perfectly. Step 13. Let's glow it up. I use Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Low Lighter in Unbothered to highlight my cheeks and eyelids. It's pigmented but wearable, just the right touch of pink shimmer. Step 14. Time to lock it in with powder. I layer on the G Beauty Powder Bronzer, highly pigmented and smooth. I start around my forehead and blend down towards the cheeks. Step 15. Wardrobe change. I swap my robe for a towel. so I can moisturize with the Photozyme DNA Repair Body Lotion. This lotion contains the same enzyme technology as their face serums, but for the body. Step 16. Then back to the G Powder Bronzer, which I use on my neck, chest, shoulders, arms, and wrists for full body warmth. Step 18. With an eyeshadow brush, I pop a little bronzer into my eye sockets to tie the look together. Step 19. Before I forget, setting spray. I use the Absolute Matte Probiotic Setting Spray from Amazon. I mist it all over my body to help the bronzer grip and avoid transfer. Step 20. Now eyes. I apply Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk eyeliner, a soft purple hue that makes my blue eyes pop. I smudge it out for a natural smoky eye and always lift the outer corners. Step 21. Brows. I'm a diehard fan of the Charlotte Tilbury Brow Cheat Pencil in medium brown. I add light strokes, then use the spoolie to blend it all in. Step 22. Lashes are next. I'm using the Sean Richards London Waterproof Mascara. It doesn't flake and it dries fast, so I use a spoolie to separate quickly. I even applied it to my lower lashes for extra drama. Step 23, lip time. I'm wearing the Sochi Soft Glide Lip Liner in Candid, super smooth with a perfect natural hue. Step 24. Then I top it with the Sochi Ceramide Refillable Lip Silk in Speakeasy. It's not quite a gloss, not quite a lipstick, just a hydrating, buildable hybrid I love. Step 25. Back to eyes. We need some shimmer. I'm using Charlotte Tilbury's Beautyverse palette, especially the shade Golden Galaxy on the inner corners and lids. I also dab it on my nose tip and Cupid's bow. Step 26. Let's drop the hair and curl. But wait up before we jump into the curls. I changed my clothes. Yep, I jumped back into the wedding dress. And I wanted to show you my earrings. These are the ones I wore to the wedding. All right, she looks so nice. Here we go. Let's curl our hair. I'm using the T3 interchangeable trio with the 1.5 barrel. I curl below the midpoint of my hair for soft, loose waves at the ends. Step 27. I spray Divi dry shampoo into the curls to break them up and add texture. So step 28 would have been hairspray, but somehow I forgot to film that. Definitely don't skip that step if you want your curls and hold to last all night. Here's a bonus. Many of you asked to see the dress, so I threw it back on. I did unfortunately tear the hem while dancing, so it's headed back to the tailor. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for this Kauai wedding skincare makeup recap. Let me know if you tried any of these products in the comments. Also, if you want to see how much lighting affects your final look, make sure to check out the original live that this video is based off of. And you can see me in the dungeon bathroom. The difference between downstairs and upstairs lighting is wild. All right, everything that I used is linked in the blog below, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye, my friends.
You better listen up. Listen when I'm feeling it. Yeah, I got a hit list. Never chasing any bag, only teach where to place them. Solo on a throne, don't need another man telling me how to live life lavishly. Cause I built different, boy, let me speak. Try but tiny, but you take it to the main dish. After a taste, got you wanting more, but you gotta work for it.
Because I've been sweating, I think we need more deodorant. It's my Donna Karen deodorant. Like I can't even get it to go on because it's like sliding against my sweat. Okay, we'll dry our armpit, then we'll try to apply deodorant. Okay. Your armpits must be dry before deodorant can be applied. All right, feeling better. Okay, we got some makeup. Yeah, it is a hot box. I'm in a hot box.